I shot all my bullets. Nothing happened. And I am going to go get another Nerf gun. Hold up. Bye. Guys, I'm back. So, I got the pistol from Fortnite. That's so tiring, guys. Man. Okay. We got it. We got it. So, let me test this to see if. Man. Why you reload it? Yeah. I don't think this shoots. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry, we gotta shoot without this. So. Okay. So. Hold on. We're gonna test. You guys got a good view. And everything. I missed. This bullet ain't fit. Hold up. Guys, I don't know if we're going to be using this, because this gun is kind of sketchy. I got it from Sam's, but still. So, and then put a bullet in there. Put that out. Put that in. Wait. I'm trying the hardest. Sorry guys, we're not going to be able to use a silent pistol. Let me go get another gun. Okay, so got this. It's kind of super duper basic. You guys got a good view? And I'm ready.
Yeah, right now it is.
Dang! Okay. That one didn't work. So, I'm gonna go get another Nerf gun. So, got this gun? Let's load her up. Guys, there's a lot of sticky ones. Yeah. So guys, the first one is gonna stick. I know it, but you gotta see one can knock it. Guys, this one didn't work, and I'm gonna end it here. So leave a like, comment, hit the notification, subscribe, do all that. And